Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the 7th week of writing to class. In this week, you are going to have the last task that you should answer and do in 2 weeks until the last week of our online tutorial. Remember, you should make sure that you already done with all of the tasks and answer all of the discussions, start from the first until the 6th discussion. This week, we are going to discuss about writing a future plan. Yeah, there are some tips when you want to write about future plan. The first one, you should read the instruction task. What does it ask you to write about? Then, you can think about the topic and brainstorm some ideas and key vocabularies that related to the topic. Remember, in this kind of text, you should use the tenses, simple futures, and in the time reference of the future. Then, you should pay attention to different future tenses and use it properly. That's what I mean, you should use simple future tenses. Write according to the number of words required and proofread your writing before you submit to your teacher. This slide also explains about the difference between will versus going to. Both modal verb can be used to tell about future plan. But the difference is that when you want to use the modal will, it means that you want to express a spontaneous decisions. It means that the degree of the possibility is below 75%. But if you want to use the modal going to, it means that you want to express plans or intentions for the future when a decision has already been made. It means that the possibility of the situation happen is more than 90%. So, going to can be used for the specific plans that you are going to do, but will means you want to tell about the possibility, or maybe you can tell about uncertainty situations. Please read more about this kind of future plan. You can also learn about the possibility by learn modal might, could, can, and the difference between both modals. Don't forget to do the last task and also answer the discussions. And also, we will meet again next week in the last initiation of all online tutorials. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.